surprise, wipe it around. Look at how strong, you can't even rip. It rips if you pull a little bit too hard. Here we go, folks. Paper towel.